Hey, third graders, we are studying words today and we are thinking about pattern because today's a pattern day. So, what I want to show you first is our word study menu option. And the other day, I told you that the meeting day activities were going to be in blue. And today, I'm going to tell you that our pattern day routines are all in green. So today, when we're done, if you want to explore more with your words, thinking pattern in mind, any of the green sorts would be the way to go. So now I'm looking all the way to the right. I see a pattern sort alike or different. We did that last time with our old word study list. And now for our new study of words, we're going to explore word fractions because we're studying them in math. So why not study them in word study as well? So first, I'd like you to make sure that you have your sort. I'm looking at sort 21, and I will tell you that you can use any sort you can. First, watch me and how I model it with my words, and then you can go and explore with your own words. So now, let's think about the word fraction routine. Now, why do we do it? It's so that we can learn the vowels and the consonants in our words. And what do you need? A notebook, your sort, and a pencil. And how do we do it? Well, first, we're going to pick a word. Two, we're going to think how many letters are vowels in this word and how many are consonants. And then I'm going to make my fraction. So let's go over that. First of all, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And then all the other letters are consonants. So now first I'm going to pick my word. Two, I'm going to think to myself, how many of these letters are vowels? And then I'm going to say how many are consonants. And then I'm going to make my fraction. So let me show you how we're going to do this. So here on this slide, I have a numerator in blue, and it says, write the number of vowels. So my numerator represents how many vowels I have in the word. So if the word is glue, I have a U and I have an E, so I have two vowels. Then my denominator, which is my green number, that is going to represent the number of consonants. So I have a G and I have an L. So I have two again. So for this word glue, my fraction is 2/2. So if I look at my number line over here, now this is if you want to push yourself to go a little bit smarter and a little bit harder. In math, we're putting fractions on a number line. So why not put them on a number line in word study? So I have a 0 and a 1. And the denominator tells me how many pieces I have to break my line into. So if there's a 2 as a denominator, I know that I have 1, 2 pieces on my line. So I'm going to mark my first line as a 1/2 and the second line as 2/2, which is 1 whole. Okay, so let's keep practicing. I have on the next slide another word that's not in the sort. It's actually my last name, Spacavento. I'm sorry for those of you that don't know me, but this is my last name. It's long, but I thought it would be a great way to show you with several letters, numerators as vowels, denominators as consonants, and I underlined it A, E, and O, and those are 4 vowels. And then the consonants, let's double check me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Phew, 7. So my fraction for my last name would be 7. Nope, it would be 4/7. And now if I want to represent that on a number line, I have to break this number line into 7 pieces because my denominator tells me it has to be broken into 7 pieces. So between 0 and 1, I should have 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now if I want to mark this, this is 1/7. This is 2/7. This is 3/7, 4/7, and that's the number that represents the fraction for my last name. If I wanted to keep going, I would have 5/7, 6/7, and 7/7, which represents a whole. So, what I'd like you to do is you are going to try with your word sort to make fractions, thinking vowels and consonants, and you can challenge yourself to put it on a number line. Now, the next activity is going to review what we did with our old sort. This one is sorted alike or different, and we think about the words and notice patterns. You need your sort and a notebook, and then you're going to look and say the words, the letters, and the sounds, and think how is it alike and how is it different? And you can actually sort them into different columns. Try to sort them so that other people, they might not know when they first look at it, they have to think about it. So you can even use my chart here to think about how you can sort it. So what letters are the same? What letters are different? What sounds are the same? What sounds are different? I put these together because I put these together for because. So sort them in a way that might not be so obvious and then ask someone to see if they know how you sorted it. Be able to explain that I did this because. All right. Word Explorers, again, another day with you. A nice day. Thank you so much for paying attention. And if you would like to challenge yourself with those fractions, you can put them on a number line. All right. Until next time, I'll see you for now.